Welcome. In today's video, you'll learn how to turn off notifications on X, previously known as Twitter, using the web version on your PC. If you've been getting constant pings and alerts that keep interrupting your day, this guide will show you how to put an end to them quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to x.com. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your personalized settings. Once you're on the home page, take a look at the menu on the left side of your screen. You'll see several icons there, including Home, Explore, and Notifications. Click on the Notifications tab. This will open a page showing all your latest mentions, likes, and updates. To manage how these alerts work, look for the gear or settings icon usually in the upper corner of your Notifications page and click on it. This will take you straight to the Notifications settings section. Next, select Preferences. This is where you can fine-tune exactly what notifications you receive and how they're delivered. Among the different options, find Push Notifications. This setting controls the alerts that pop up on your screen or browser, even when you're not actively using X. Once you're in the Push Notification section, you'll see a list of all possible alert types, things like mentions, retweets, and new followers. To completely turn off notifications, toggle off the Push Notifications option. Once it's disabled, you'll stop receiving those real-time pop-ups entirely. It's that simple. After making this change, you can browse, scroll, or tweet in peace without constant interruptions. And if you ever change your mind, you can return to this same section and turn them back on anytime. That's it, just a few quick steps to take control of your X notifications. Thanks for watching.